Hi everybody, and welcome to another butt burning exercise. Now, some of you might find this kind of weird. I don't know, you might think I'm a complete nutball when I get done doing this, but this is probably one of, and I'm going to share another one with you next week, but this is one of my secrets. This is what I do all the time, and even though I look like a weirdo when I'm at my house, as I'm doing things all day long and picking up after my kids, and even if you don't have kids, you might have to pick up after a dog or after a spouse or after somebody. Usually we all have to go around and do household chores. So I'm going to show you kind of what I do, and this is kind of second nature for me, so I know I look like a goofball around my house, but I don't even see it anymore. And this is one of my secrets to keeping really toned abs and really toned buns and legs, to be honest with you. So I'm going to kind of do an example of me. I've got my living room right here and Bowen's chair. And actually, usually my living room is a mess. So when I'm cleaning up, I have a lot to do, but I just kind of picked a few things out to for our example today. So I'm going to show you kind of what I do. If I was coming in here and I was going to clean up, this is what I would do. As I'm coming here to pick up chairs or to pick up whatever, first I'd come over, and this is our ottoman that has all of our toys in it. So when I'm lifting things, I go down into a squat. Now, if you're advanced, you can go down into a pretty deep squat. Like I even do squats that are, very low. When I'm in my dishwasher, I'm down like as far as this. But if you're just starting out, kind of come down to the point that you can feel your legs and you can feel your buttocks. And remember that we're always holding in our core. I hope that you guys know that by now. So I come over here and I would lift this off. Now this is a little bit heavy. When I come up, I will be squeezing my buns for all I'm worth, right? And I might even stay here and I might even do a couple of these while I'm here. Now this ottoman top is pretty heavy. If you guys have an ottoman top, this is good. But this is something I do because it's something I have in my house and I can use. So whether you're picking up chairs or you're picking up whatever, it doesn't really matter. Take a second and just do a couple squats like this. Now I am squeezing my buns. Like if you could see behind me, you could see how tight my buns are when I'm doing this, and my core's in and my legs are engaged. Okay, so a good squat, you're not falling forward, you're just coming down, your knees are not past your toes in a good squat, and you're getting ready. So I'd come and I would lift this off, and then when I would come over here, I would kind of waddle a little bit and I'd put it down. Now when I walk around my living room, again, I know I'm a weirdo, but I will even walk around kind of like this. So I might stand up and take a break if I get really tired. And then I'll come over here. And as you can see, I'm even getting a little winded as I do this because it takes a lot to get down in a squat like this and to move around your living room. So I'll be in my squat, and the next thing I'll do is I'll come and I'll get this thing, right? And I'm going to go put it away. So I'll come over here and I'll put it away. So what I'm doing, as you can see, is I'm staying in my squat and I'm moving around, okay? So now I'll come and I might take a break if you need to take a break. And then I'll come back down, and now I'm going to pick these up. So I'm bringing these back over, and these kind of go in front of here. And then if I had toys, so I'll just throw some toys out here. I got a lot of toys in here. Okay, I'm staying in my squat. If I was picking these up, I'd come over here, I'd pick them up, I'd bring them back, squeezing my butt the whole time. Going through like this, squeezing my butt, putting those down, putting them in. Okay, I got that done. Then I would come back here, place my ottoman top off, and I come through, right? Then I come over here and I'm gonna do my blanket. So I would get down to my squat. I would come here, I would do my blanket, I would get there, come up, squeezing, 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 and then I would lay this over here, right? Okay, so now I've got pillows to do right here, right? So I come over here, I'd get my pillows, I'd come back, one pillow goes here, one pillow goes there, one goes here. Okay, so I'm cleaning my room. I do this when I'm sweeping sometimes. I come down, I sweep like this. Okay? Now, when you get used to doing that, it's amazing what your muscles will do. It's amazing the toning that you can do. And you can do this, and as you can see, like I'm winded. I want you guys to try to do that, like around your living room. Throw a couple things around and try to move around like that. And you're gonna be amazed at the results, and you're gonna notice that you can do that all day, anytime, no matter what your schedule is. So I will talk to you guys next week.